In this video, I'll show you how to put apps on desktop in Windows 11. Adding apps to your desktop in Windows 11 is simple. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and hover your mouse into the left side of your screen where you can find the start menu icon. Now in here, go ahead and select an app that you want to add into your desktop, and then long press on the app and then drag it into your desktop. So you can drag it here and then place it anywhere you want on your desktop homepage. So that's basically how you can add apps into your desktop. So you'll need to just basically look for that on the start menu and then drag that into your desktop homepage. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.